Time now for a look at the Emirates ATP Rankings. After victory in Paris, Novak Djokovic is firmly placed at the top. Runner-up at the French Open, Andy Murray lies second. Roger Federer is in third place, with Rafael Nadal just behind him in fourth. The Swiss Stan Wawrinka goes back down to number 5. Kei Nishikori from Japan is in 6th. Then it's Dominic Thiem, who shoots up 8 places to number 7 after a strong performance at Roland Garros. In 8th, we have Thomas Berdych. And in the Emirates ATP doubles team rankings, Bob and Mike Bryan jump up to number 1 spot, whilst Pierre-Hugues Herbert and Nicolas Mahut move down to 2nd. Jamie Murray and Bruno Soares are 3rd. Feliciano Lopez and Marc Lopez are the big movers, in at 4th after claiming their maiden slam title at the French Open.